नमस्कार बच्चों, टुडे वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग with the chapter 11 path to modernization. This chapter we were seeing the history and the political background of China and Japan and the various important features of these two countries. So for that we have seen few points of Japan, how there was the political system and administrative system, the language, the economy and the trade. What was the main trade of there? Everything we have discussed in the previous lectures. So in today's lecture we are going to focus on China. China, our neighboring country, and what issues were faced by China in starting when it was not established in a proper manner. So those issues will be discussed, we will discuss today. And the other thing we will discuss about the Confucius. Confucius, a great philosopher of China. So both points we are going to cover in these in this today's topic. So problems faced by China in 19th century. 19th century China में कौन सी problems face हुई? So first of all there was the Manchu dynasty. Manchu dynasty जो था that faced so many issues. In 19th century China was under monarchy. The rulers of Manchu dynasty could not defend their empire from the European imperialists and Christian missionaries. अब चाइना में स्टार्टिंग में क्या था? मोनार्की था. मोनार्की में कौन राजा थे? माचू डायनेस्टी थी. So they could not remain as emperor, as monarch. Why? What was the reason? Reason was that they could not defend their empire from the European imperialists and the Christian missionaries. यूरोपियन imperialists जो यूरोप की कंट्रीज थी, those who want to expand their empire from those, and the Christian missionaries. Missionaries are always just wanted to expand or just express the things like that. They have to enlarge their empire. So in such a way the imperialistic thinking of these Christian missionaries and European countries, the things were totally disturbed, and the ruler, the monarchy, that was not good, that could not sustain for a long time. Monarchy could not sustain for the long time. That was the main thing. The next one, imperialism. Imperialists, when empire want to expand its particular empire, so for that they used to win to other particular countries and to make other countries their colony. So this was the main thing which was called imperialism, and that was the feeling which were having with the bigger countries mostly. They want to expand themselves. वो अपने एम्पायर को बड़ा करने के लिए, एक्सपेंड करने के लिए दे यूज टू कैप्चर द स्मॉल वंस और दे मेक देम कॉलोनीज. इंडिया है, इंडिया वॉज द कॉलोनी ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स. सो वाई ब्रिटिशर्स केम टू इंडिया? टू डू ट्रेड करने के लिए आए. बट ग्रेजुअली दे just expand their empire in India, and there was the British Raj. So in the same way this thing happened with the China, European imperialists and Christian missionaries. These were there, those who captured the empire of Manchu dynasty. Now coming to the next one. Next one is imperialism. Imperialism means like how to expand the empire. China was subjected to the worst kind of irresponsible imperialism. अब worst kind of imperialism कैसे? कि so many countries just wanted to capture China, and which was done through several wars. और बहुत सारे wars के through ये हुआ जिनको Opium War कहा गया. बहुत सारे wars के through it happened, and it was called the Opium War, and how these particular countries were surrounding China for the same. So this is the story of that. A series of unequal treaties which threatened Chinese integrity. बहुत सारी unequal treaties की गई किससे? China से. So when the treaties are going to be done, what happens? Some conditions are imposed on the particular country.